Hey, welcome back, folks.
How can I miss the fucking bird? Oh, look at this bird. No. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move, baby. Don't move. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Don't move. You son of a bitch. Don't move. I don't know, this one's weird. Hey, buddy. Aw. Look at you, bro. It would be better if it was in here, but whatever. Ah, no. Oh, there's another one. No. Oh, birds. Up. Look at this guy. Hey. Let's try 2.8, 1,000 of a second. Don't move. Ah. Hey. Oh shit. It's so good. Oh man. National fucking Geographic. So many birds. Oh, I want to shoot that bird, but it keeps flying. See some of the yellow leaves right there? I'm gonna go there. Alright, bro. Someone's still in school. Oh, look at these leaves. What? Look at these leaves. Use this water pole. Like that. Whoa. This is the shot. Damn, bro, look at these leaves. What? Look at these fucking leaves, bro. 35 mil here. Let's try F8, 250 of a second. Oh, it's so good. Try to take those birds again. Oh shit, this is a fucking shot. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Cannot be better. Jesus Christ. Zoom it out. Whoa. Good enough. It's weird as fuck. Take those ladies over there. Why not? Why not? Right.
Somebody walk on the stairs here.
Okay, perfect. Jeez, look at this spot. Some parts I've just never been to. Tried f6.3. 400 on the second. Oh man. Like why not? I'm fucking in a jungle. Oh, look at that. Like, why not? Oh shit. This is the shit, bro. Holy fuck. Oh yeah. What the fuck? Oh shit. Holy fuck. This is so good. Oh man. Never been in these parts in my school. This is crazy. Tried shot these little leaves. Try that. Oh man, this is so good. Shit, too good. Right here. Oh yeah. Oh shit, it's so good. Oh. I reckon it's gonna be nice when I edit them. Somebody's walking. Finally. I don't want him to see me. Try that guy. Alright, so 400. Right. Shoot you, my guy. Got one. Got actually a few. Yeah, whatever. Maybe I should go down. Some weird shit. Someone walks past the best. Well, whatever. Saw someone with an umbrella. Can you take some shit? Guy's actually nice. This is gonna be fucking worth it. Watch this. Where is it? Where is it? Focus, the motherfucker. Yeah. Some of the last shot in my school.